Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Integra Motorhome is the epitome of mobility and luxury. External, improved silhouette to cut down on wind resistance and boost fuel economy. The 2026 Integra has a more aerodynamic external design. Premium materials. It will be common practice to employ composite materials that are both lightweight and robust. The integration of large panoramic windows will be effortless. Adaptive LED lighting. There will be a complete LED lighting system for both practical and aesthetic reasons. Interior. Gourmet kitchen. This might have a high-capacity smart refrigerator, an integrated espresso machine, a convection oven microwave, and a state-of-the-art induction cooktop. Luxurious master bedroom. A king or queen-size bed will be in the master bedroom. Standard equipment will include a sound system and a flat-screen TV for personal pleasure. Integrated infotainment system. Almost all of the motorhome's features, including the water system, entertainment, lighting, and temperature, are controlled by a central touch control panel. Advanced connectivity. A 5G or Starlink Wi-Fi hotspot will guarantee dependable and quick internet access. Smart storage. Storage will be strategically placed in every available space. Strong and effective engines. High performance, efficient diesels with the potential for mild hybrid technology or perhaps a plug-in hybrid alternative to lower emissions and extend range will be among the engine options. Adaptive air suspension. This feature, which offers a more stable and comfortable ride, will be either standard or optional. Smart energy management system. The motorhome's high-capacity lithium-ion battery, solar panels, and generator will all be optimized for power use by the energy management system. Navigation and driving assistance system. GPS navigation tailored to motorhomes will be included, taking into account weight, road constraints, and vehicle size. Advanced security. Peace of mind will be offered with an integrated alarm system, motion sensors, and external security cameras with remote monitoring, 360-degree camera.